Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Home Fitness Challenge channel, my YouTube Unleash Your Inner Power. The 14-day fat burn challenge. Every girl's talking about. No gym? No problem. This home-based, zero equipment workout is designed to torch fat, tighten your core, and sculpt lean curves in just 2 weeks. Whether you're a beginner or restarting your fitness journey, this program is your path to feeling strong, confident, and unstoppable. Get ready to sweat, smile, and transform your body, one powerful move at a time. Every transformation begins with a single choice, the decision to show up, not for anyone else, but for yourself. The first day of this challenge isn't about perfection, it's about commitment. It's about saying, I'm ready to change. Even if you don't have all the answers yet, you don't need fancy equipment or a gym membership. You already have everything you need right where you are. What matters most is your mindset. Each movement, each breath, each drop of sweat is proof that you're taking control of your health, your energy, and your confidence. The hardest part isn't the workout, it's starting. But once you begin, something powerful happens. Your body listens, your focus sharpens, and your belief grows stronger. This challenge isn't just about burning fat, it's about unlocking potential. It's about proving to yourself that you can stay consistent, that you can follow through, that you can rise, even on the days when motivation fades. So take that deep breath, ground your feet, and begin. Because today, you're not just starting a workout, you're starting a transformation that could change everything. When it comes to burning fat, understanding what's really happening inside your body makes all the difference. Fat burn isn't just about sweating or feeling exhausted. It's about how your body uses energy. When you move, your muscles demand fuel, and over time, your body learns to tap into stored fat for that energy source. The key is consistency and intensity. Short bursts of focused effort mixed with recovery. That combination triggers something powerful called the afterburn effect, where your body continues burning calories even after you've stopped moving. Every jump, every squat, every second you push yourself adds up to that metabolic fire. And remember, fat loss doesn't happen overnight. It's a process of teaching your body to become more efficient, stronger, and smarter. You're not just working out, you're reprogramming your metabolism to work for you, not against you. So, as you move through each session, focus on your form, your breathing, and your effort. Don't chase exhaustion, chase progress. The science is simple. The more you move with purpose, the more your body transforms. You don't need a gym full of machines to build strength. Your body is already the most powerful tool you have. Every movement you make, from a simple squat to a plank hold, activates multiple muscle groups at once. That's what makes bodyweight training so effective. It teaches your body to move the way it was designed to. Balanced, controlled, and strong without the need for equipment. You're free to focus on form and connection. You begin to feel how each muscle works together, how your breath supports your movement, how stability builds from the inside out. And here's the truth. When you rely on your own body for resistance, you're not just building muscle, you're building awareness. Every rep becomes a conversation between your mind and body, a signal that says, I'm in control. This kind of training fits anywhere, anytime. Your living room, your backyard, or even a quiet corner of your day. There are no excuses, only opportunities to move. So use what you have. Your body, your focus, your will. Because strength isn't found in the weight you lift. It's found in the effort you give. Structure is what turns effort into results. This 14-day plan is designed to keep your body challenged, balanced, and engaged every single day. The goal isn't to push yourself to exhaustion. It's to move with purpose. Each day focuses on specific muscle groups, giving you time to recover while still keeping your metabolism active. The early days wake up your body, preparing your joints and muscles for what's to come. As you move forward, intensity builds, you'll feel stronger, more coordinated, and more in tune with your movements. Then, just when your body starts to adapt, the workouts shift again. New exercises, new combinations, new energy. This variation keeps your body guessing, which is exactly what fuels fat burn and growth. It's a rhythm, effort, recovery, adaptation. And by the time you reach day 14, you'll look back and realize how far you've come. You won't just see the change, you'll feel it in your stamina, your strength, and your mindset. Each day, one step at a time, you're sculpting a body that's not just leaner but more resilient. What you eat and how you recover are just as important as the workouts themselves. Exercise is the spark, but nutrition and rest are the fuel that keep your progress burning. When you feed your body whole, nutrient-rich foods, lean proteins, colorful vegetables, complex carbs, and healthy fats, you're giving it the building blocks it needs to repair and grow stronger. Hydration matters just as much. Every cell in your body depends on water to function, especially when you're training consistently, and don't underestimate the power of rest. Sleep isn't laziness, it's recovery in motion. That's when your body rebuilds muscle tissue, balances hormones, and resets energy levels. If you skip rest, you're not giving your body the chance to transform. The real results happen between the workouts, when your system has time to adapt to the effort you've put in. So listen to your body. Eat with intention, sleep with discipline, and treat recovery as part of your training. It's not about doing more, it's about doing it right. The final piece of every transformation is mindset. Workouts shape your body, but your thoughts shape your journey. Motivation is what gets you started, but it's discipline that carries you when motivation fades. There will be days when your energy is low, when the workouts feel harder than usual, or when progress seems slow, and that's when your mindset matters most. Every time you show up despite the excuses, you strengthen something far deeper than muscle. You build self-trust. You prove to yourself that you can keep promises you've made to your own growth. Progress isn't always loud or dramatic. Sometimes it's as simple as pushing through one more rep or showing up when you'd rather quit. Remember, transformation is not just physical. It's emotional, mental, and personal. This challenge is about learning that your body will follow wherever your mind leads. Stay patient, stay consistent, and celebrate the small victories because they add up to something extraordinary. You've come this far, and you're not done yet. The strength you're building now will carry into every part of your life.